This is the scene of the fire by St. Mary's, Southampton. Looks like the stadium's on fire. It's crazy. Raw! No way! No way! Well, hurry up, do you turn, man? Yo! It's a lock off still. Yeah, it looks like the stadium's on fire. It's crazy. I just gotta find a spot to fling up this drone out of sight, out of reach, like Gabrielle, fam.
I dare you to see how far you can get before they stop you.
I don't need to, I've got this.
Oh, I'm being mischief. Because nobody's allowed through. It's like, don't look that you're going to hurt yourself just whizzing through.
I'm guessing the game's cancelled.
They're pretty much saying that's more than likely.
But
yeah.
I feel sorry for the Preston fans, that's very far away.
Exactly, we were all saying that earlier.
It looks like the stadium's on fire.
I was hoping.
I'm from Birmingham,
yeah?
and this used to happen quite a lot.
Did it?
Yeah, so there's factories like near where I used to live, and this kind of thing happened quite a lot.
So you're not going to satisfy my curious
I'm going to go up there, and you're going to see a drone fly past.
Oh, I love drones.
Yeah.
I've got a little drone to practice with, but some of my mates with their drones, the footage they catch is brilliant. What, are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
I love it, what everybody does on YouTube.
I'm going to get my drone to fly past this, and I want to go to the other side.
Come on my head, say, hello, I'm here. Who are you on YouTube then?
RTM Visuals.
RTM Visuals,
Yeah,
I'll look you up later then.
Thank you. Now to find somewhere to pitch up. Here seems cool. Pretty decent coverage here on the corner. Hurry up, but that's the milk turn faster, blood. I'm just stopping in the middle of the road and that. For what reason, blood? You can't go nowhere, fam. You know, like that. So we're just going around to the other side now. Gonna see what's popping around there. Got a fire pump here. Damn, it's big, yo! I don't even know why they're prepping to close the roads, bro. The game ain't happening, fam. Get that in heads. If the game happens, that's a bigger miracle than when City won the league in 2012 in the last minute. Get that in heads, bro.
See, so that's Chopper Road just here, and then St Mary Street, and then people have been cutting across and going round. I know it's quite a long way round, but yeah.
You photographer for yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me.
Hello.
Am I allowed down there?
Sorry?
Am I allowed down there?
I'm not allowed anyone past here, but I think people have been, there's like round there, so I think there's a way of getting round here, but I can't let you here because there's loads of vehicles and stuff that need to come in and out. So yeah, if there's a way of, I don't know if it's that street there.
I think it is, to be fair.
But yeah, there are members of the public there.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Yeah.
Is the game happening or is it cancelled?
It's been postponed.
I've just seen it's been cancelled.
Oh, I thought so. I feel sorry for them Preston fans, that's a long way.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
You get down at M40, or the game's cancelled.
Yeah.
You gotta go back.
Oh god. In rush hour as well.
Yeah. And if they've booked accommodation.
Oh yeah, there's that, yeah. I don't know if they refund people's tickets or...
Sometimes they do, not all the time.
Yeah.
People got photography cameras and that. I mean, this ain't the thing for photography cameras, man. This is the thing for aerial Drones. This is where we come into kick. Just look at it, man. My goodness. Wow. Yo. This is insane.
Are you trying to get through, bro?
I got this, mate.
What's in it?
It's my drone.
Is it? Come on, get it up.
So I'm gonna launch it from that side.
How do you get up from here, bro?
Better,
You've got a drone here.
better coverage from around there. I already done it at the top, so I'll do it from around there. It'd be better.
Yeah. Okay. What are you going to post on?
YouTube.
YouTube, yeah? What's your YouTube channel?
RTM Visuals.
RTM Visuals?
Yeah.
RTM Visuals. Everyone's on YouTube. Just like RTM Visuals. Mate, he's going to fire a drone up and post it on YouTube. This guy here, look. There you go, mate. There you go.
Thank you. Watch this man be turning heads with my drone. You know, like that. Everybody's here, man. Don't need no digital camera. Have the equipment for the situation which we have. Everybody's got their digital cams, man, and video cams. Watch me shut it down. Watch. Shut it down again. Yeah, here's a perfect spot. I ain't got that much battery left, but we'll see what's what. Get a little something. So that's where the police officer can't let anyone past. But you can sort of go around the other side. That's what everyone's done. But hey ho, let's get the drone in the air.
Got a good view?
Yep.
Go look at it.
Show you 1 second.
Bloody. Where's the drone then?
It's just there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just there. That's the fire, man.
Bad, isn't it?
It is.
All of the buildings are going to catch on fire eventually.
But they've got it under control now, so that's a good thing.
Have they? You landing it?
Yeah, I got all the footage I need now. That's it. I've got all the footage you need. I'll be uploaded to RTM Visuals on the YouTube. Stay safe and go check it out. Peace.